Very simple product today. Sterile alcohol prep pads. These are good value. You get a ton of them in this pack. You get 200 of them for, I don't even know what it was. It was pretty affordable. So they come like this, little 2-packs. So I'll just show you down here. As simple as it gets. It's an alcohol prep pad. So if you need to do a shot or whatever, or like you're doing insulin or a peptide or whatever shot you're doing, it's super simple. It smells like alcohol. It is alcohol. It'll prep whatever you need to prep prior to using a needle, or if you want to do anything else with this thing. I don't know what else you use a alcohol cotton pad for, but they're pretty simple. 70% isopropyl alcohol. It'll clean your skin or clean whatever you need to clean. Clean your phone with it. So yeah, go get you some cotton pads. What are these called? Sterile alcohol prep pads.